A healthy diet. A healthy diet involves eating a variety of foods in the correct proportions and consuming a calorie intake that allows for the maintenance of healthy body weight. Although this varies for everyone, as a general guide, this should include at least 5 portions of fruit and vegetables per day should account for a third of your daily food intake. Evidence has shown that people who meet this requirement are at a lower risk of developing some cancers and heart disease. One meta-analysis found a dose-response relationship between fruit and vegetable intake and disease, with the risk of death from heart disease dropping by 8% proportion of fruit or vegetables consumed daily, up to 10 portions, while cancer risk dropped by 3% proportion. More fiber and nutrients than white varieties. Whole grains have been shown to reduce the risk of several cancers, type 2 diabetes and heart disease, and promote healthy gut bacteria. Lean proteins, especially fish, eggs, and white meat, are essential for cellular repair and provide a range of vitamins and minerals. Dairy foods and their alternatives, which are a good source of protein and provide calcium. Limited amounts of unsaturated fats.